and it's Saturday, April the 24th. It's just after lunch. It's about not quite 12:30, I guess. And I'm out cutting some wood again. It's been raining all morning. I finally stopped there a little while ago. Have a bit of a break in the rain. According to the radar, I have about an hour, maybe an hour and a half before it starts raining again. So I'm going to try to get some of these elms out right here. Right here. There's 4 elms right there. And then there's a bigger one down there. Right there. I'm going to try to get them out before the rain starts up again. So you can see them right there. They're not very big, these ones, but they're kind of all limbs. And I'm going to turn you around here. There's the Massey all setting already. There's my house, just like literally right there. On my last video, I was cutting just over there by the edge of the sugar bush. Right there. You can see these a little better. Well, I don't want to talk too much. I want to get this done, so we'll set you guys up and get at it. Okay guys, hopefully the rain holds off. Stay tuned here. This video is brought to you by Big J's Beans, the logger's choice. Okay folks, first one's on the ground. I'll limb it up here and get it out. There was a little one in the way there, a dead one, so I cut it. Okay. I might cut this other one too when I'm at it. There's another, I'm going to cut this one on the side here. And then get it cleaned up too. Okay guys, stay tuned here. Okay folks, another one on the ground. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. I limbed that one up a bit. I limbed this one up. They're kind of short and stubby ones. And we got this one left, but okay guys, trying to beat the rain here, so stay tuned here. Okay folks, well, getting them out of here. I dragged them all up just over there. Just got to clean this up a little bit better here. Got a limb there I can take out, clean this up a bit better, and come back and get this one. So far the rain's held off. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay folks, I'm back here. I got that all hooked up. I got this all cleaned up. Pretty good. It's just a pasture, so it doesn't have to be spick and span. And I got this one left here, which I'm going to fall right now. Kind of starting to sprinkle rain a little tiny bit, so hopefully it holds off, because I do really want to get that big one down in there. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'll set you guys up for this one. Okay folks, that was perfect. That tree had a really bad lean actually over this way towards the brush pile, like over towards the tractor. It was leaning pretty good, but I got to go this way where I wanted it to. Just tickle a little bit, just like keep cutting a little bit. Just stop and see where it's going. Once it started to go, wasn't too much holding that, but okay guys, I'm going to get the other stuff out to the wood yard and then come back and get this one, and hopefully the rain holds off for one more. Okay folks, I'm back here. I got that one skidded out to there. I took the other stuff out to the wood yard. It was raining pretty good as I was heading out there. I got all that cleaned up. I think I'm going to cut this other one here, this big one, before it starts raining again. It's supposed to start raining according to my radar on my phone. Again, it wasn't supposed to rain there just now, but it did according to the radar. This is a pretty big chunk of one here. Have a look at it. Oh yeah, it's a big one. I think it'll go right down there. And then get it out of here before it starts raining. Okay guys, I'm going to set you guys up somewhere. Okay, folks. Oh, I hear the train. It's on the ground. It's a good chunk of one. Okay guys, I'll get that tree out to the wood yard, come back and get this one. Hopefully the rain holds out. Okay guys, stay tuned here. Okay folks, got the top out of there, but it's a bit of a battle, but we did it. Gotta come back and get that. Rain's holding off so far, but I think it's gonna pour here in a few minutes. The sky is really dark off there. I'm gonna get that one out, come back and get that one. See how it goes. Hopefully the rain holds off. Because if it does hold off, there's a couple of more small ones back there I could get. We'll see. Okay guys, I'm gonna bring this out to the house, out to the wood yard. Okay guys, stay tuned here. Hey folks, I am back here at the wood yard. Got a pretty good jag out. Got that big chunk out, as you can see right there. It's a nice chunk of a piece of alum wood here. Nice and straight. Not a bad little jag for a few hours of work. It's about 2:30. I started this around 12:30, so I didn't get any video of me pulling this out because it started to rain when I was going back to get it, so I didn't want my camera getting wet, so it's not exactly waterproof. I'm gonna call that a day. Turn around here again. Stop raining right now. There's a few more little alums. There's probably 3 or 4 small alums back there. I'm gonna get sometime. And then over here, there's another big alum I noticed that's dead. And then there's one down, way down there at the end of the field. We'll get them sometime. Everything's greening up, as you can see. The grass is greening up. It won't be long. We'll be cutting that. I know there's a few people yesterday actually cutting their grass, but it's another week or two here before I really get serious and start cutting some. But got to service the lawnmower. I had the lawnmower out, the zero turn. I had it out last weekend and got it started, and got to do some maintenance on it, change the oil and a few things, get that thing going. Maybe next weekend get my push mower out, all that stuff ready. I'm going to cut this wood up sometime, probably this week. Anyways, that's it for today. Put the Massey away. Yeah. A little bit of wood. This is the stuff here that I brought out the last video, some of it. Got it all cut up. Okay guys, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoy the videos. It won't be long, it will be tractor pulling season. And the wood cutting season will be over pretty much. But a few more videos for wood cutting and then we'll see. Okay guys, stay tuned and thanks a lot for watching.